When your Verizon Fios TV box won't turn on, there are several systematic troubleshooting steps you can take to identify and resolve the issue. If your Fios TV box shows no lights, gives no response, or simply won't turn on, this indicates a power-related issue that we can systematically troubleshoot. Step 1 is to perform a hard reset. Unplug the power cord from the outlet completely. Wait exactly 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears temporary software glitches that often cause power issues. Step 2 is verifying the power supply. Check that all cable connections are secure, ensure the power outlet is working properly, and inspect for any loose or damaged cables. Step 3 involves testing the power outlet itself. Try plugging another device into the same outlet, use a multimeter if available, or simply try a different power outlet to rule out electrical issues. Step 4 is checking the coaxial cable connections. Ensure the coaxial cable is tightly connected at both the wall outlet and the TV box. Look for any damaged or bent cables that might interrupt the signal. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, you may be dealing with internal hardware failure or power supply malfunction. Power-related failures account for 45% of all equipment issues, so equipment replacement may be necessary. Contact Verizon technical support for further assistance. When your Fios TV box powers on but you're experiencing remote control problems, the most common culprit is battery depletion, which accounts for 60% of all remote control issues. The first step is always to replace the batteries with high-quality alkaline batteries. This simple fix resolves the majority of remote control problems. Next, ensure there are no obstructions between the remote and the infrared sensor on your Fios box. The remote needs a clear line of sight to communicate properly. For voice remotes, you may need to repair the device using specific button combinations. This process varies by remote model, but typically involves holding certain buttons simultaneously. Now let's address setup issues. Proper coaxial signal strength is crucial for optimal performance. The signal should be between -7 and +7 dBmV for best results. For streaming and on-demand features, ensure you have an Ethernet connection. This provides the most reliable internet connectivity for your Fios TV box. For 4K content delivery, use HDMI 2.0 or higher cables. These cables support the bandwidth required for ultra-high-definition video and audio. Proper ventilation is essential to prevent overheating. Ensure your Fios TV box has adequate airflow around all sides, especially the vents. If problems persist after trying these solutions, Verizon's My Fios app provides enhanced diagnostic tools for remote troubleshooting. These tools can identify issues and guide you through additional solutions.